Hello traders, this is Kigali Traders, and we are really very excited to share with you a real business plan for financial trading business. We want to do everything as planned, so let's start by planning out what we'll be doing, how we'll be doing it during this course of 14 months. We will do evaluation after that period and see what went well, what we learned. Yeah, it will be a great time for us. So we wish you also to, if you want to join this kind of business, it will be a great experience to learn from the real trader doing real market, struggling, making it, fighting solutions. It will be great. Let's go on the plan. Can you see? Yes, you can see. I hope you can see. So this is called financial trading business plan. It's like any other business plan, so we can start by looking at what will be required, what we expect, how do we think the profitability will come, what information do we have on the product. Yes, how will we be working to get the required profit. Yes, that's how you plan every business. So first of all, I'm employed, a full-time employed worker, so but I can get like 3 to 5 hours PM after work. So exactly it's in the New York session, which is the best session to trade in with a high volatile market. So it's okay. I think it's enough. I will be using, I'm planning to use like 3 hours a day to trade, so I think this will be enough. So what are the resources available or required for this business? Of course, we need a computer. As I have said, we need to trade futures and forex. For futures, you absolutely need a computer, but for forex, you can use smartphone. But let's plan for a computer. We don't need a very expensive one. It's like the one for 300 $300. It will be enough, but luckily I have that one that I use. I have my personal computer. I will be using that one. Stable internet connection, this is crucial. Luckily I have a home internet connection, so it will not be required to buy another one. That will be enough. But I will need a top step combine for futures. Let's suppose we pay, you can see the formula. We usually pay $49 for subscription every month, and they give you the free combine to trade. I will be explaining and showing you how to buy it, how it works. With that, there is no resource available. I have to find the capital for this one. For 14 months, it will be $600 $86. I also like to trade forex, so we'll be using the Fiverr's Profam. We will start with a simple one, 5k. We will start like 5k forex account, which is, it is 49, it is like $39. But for this one, when you pass, there is a refund. They give you the money you bought the evaluation account. We call it evaluation account. So with this one, this is how much you are required if you don't have computer and cable internet right here in Rwanda. Yes, those are the price right here in Rwanda. But for combining the Fivers, they are stable, and they are how can I say it? And they are like the same for everyone. But for internet, for computer, it varies depending on where you are. But that's the range. What is required for sure minus what is available, it's around $900 for 14 months. What is required for 1 month, it's like $64. This for this investment, I hope most people can afford. Not most, but most people who have been trading can afford this kind of business. Yeah, for especially you've try to invest in this kind of business where there is exponential growth when you have the right skills. Let's dive in for information. It's like product information. Yeah, you need to know for top step or for future. As we have said, this is a monthly payment. For Forex Profam, this is not a monthly payment for sure. This is a one-time payment to buy an evaluation account. This is max loss. For futures, you cannot go lower than 4% of loss. When you go there, when you go below, the account is blocked, and you wait for the next month so that the account will be rebuilt again 49, and you receive a new combine and start trading with that with the same conditions. For Forex, you have like 10% drawdown. 10% drawdown. This is another. It's 500 max loss. For profit target, you have 6%. For futures, it's almost 3,000, and you have also $650 for futures, which is 30% for Forex. The stages, it's one stage for future, it's 2 stages for Forex, 8, stage 1, stage 2, 5%. Activation payment, you need to pay this activation payment for those who trade futures. You know, there is subscription price for data. Those are mandatory to pay monthly, so you pay this one for subscription when you pass, and because you are going to go live, you have to pay those data. But for Forex, no payment. They even refund you. For Forex, they found you your evaluation cost. but for profit sharing, for futures you get 90%, while for forex you get 85% of profit. For example, if you have 50k dollar account and you made 10k, you withdraw 9,000 and the profit remain with 1,000. For forex you withdraw 8,500 and they keep 1,500. For futures there is no clear scale up, but for forex, for the 5 hours, whenever you reach 10% in profit, they add the half of your capital. If you are trading, for example, 5,000 capital, and you reach 10%, this is 500. After evaluation, they add 50%, so they add 2,500. Your main capital becomes 7,500, and this is the refund. But for futures, for the first 10k profit, you keep it. They are all yours. You withdraw, they are all yours. The 90% profit sharing start after withdraw of 10,000. So this is how it works. So, but those are the required information. But how can we expect it to be profitable? Let's start by futures. We will be learning, I have told you. So from 1st November to December, it's 2 months. We are planning to pay to subscription, and we don't expect any profit. We will be learning how to trade. It's okay, we take that loss. We cannot lose for this platform trading. You cannot lose more than what you have bought your account. That's the maximum. Like from January to March, it is 3 months, quarter one. We will invest for 3 months. Invest the total of $147, and we don't expect to be profitable. It will be a loss. It's okay. Will be for 5 months. We'll be learning. That's the we are trying to lower our expectations to see how it will work. Maybe in the 6th month we expect to get some profit, so we expect to pass the combine for the 6 times, and we pay that activation amount. That's why we'll be paying this amount of money, and we expect to withdraw like 6,000 and minus what we have invested. Will be having this one, so we'll be break even with almost 60 profit for the first 6 months with a lot of skills. In the next quarter, the 3rd quarter, we expect to pay those. We'll be keeping our live account. We will do whatever is possible to keep it. So for that, we expect to get like an average of 1,000 a month of profit. So that will be this one, and minus that the net. And for the last quarter, we will be paying also this one and get like 1 0.5k a month with this one, but it doesn't mean that you can't lose an evaluation account. But remember, we have always $49 for a new combine. So with that, we can pass it and get evaluation because we have accumulated skills during the whole year practicing. So this, I think, this kind of prediction is somehow reasonable. So let's go on forex. For the forex, I will be doing a video on this. Why we will be getting the evaluation for 10k. I will do the video on that, and how we'll be learning for free and get this account. Wait this for this video. Maybe Saturday or Sunday I will be providing a clear information, this like in 10 or 15 minutes video. So for the first 2 months it's a loss. For first 5 months we don't expect any profit, but we expect some profit in the 6 months, as we expected in the future also trading. So we'll be getting like 5%. It's not plus what we invested. So it's like this. The net will be like this. The second quarter and the last quarter also. It doesn't mean that you can't lose an account, but we've accumulated the knowledge. We expect that it will be more easier to pass the next one if we can even lost one with enough skills. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be journaling, we'll be showing you the progress, we'll be doing some live with you guys. So get ready to learn. So we have seen that from this is the sum of the one from forex in the future, seeing that we will be making 8,005. This is a lot of money. This is a lot of money from the smaller capital. So it will be really exciting and opening to a new door. So that's why we are not expecting to make a lot of money in the first year, for sure. Even in any other business, we don't expect to get a lot of money in the beginning. Maybe in 5 years, in 10 years, why not? If you keep doing the right things, we will get a lot of money, maybe millions. Let's learn together. And as you can see, even in studying, we're expecting to get 10 times, which is maybe a lot. Even if we can get 2 times, or 3 times, or 5 times, it will be enough with the skills that we'll be getting. Thank you for being with us. We are running of time, so it's almost 20 minutes. Sorry, I think it is not. It was a great information. You can plan yourself, your business plan, your trading business plan, as you have done ours. So get ready to be in 2025 to make a lot of money, to make a real money. Be blessed. May the Lord be with you. May the skills be with you. May the market be with you. Thank you very much.